Take a close look. Can you give medicines for this prescription? I immediately say no. There's one brand drug in this prescription. Can you identify? If this looks confusing, don't worry. We are launching a short course that will teach you step by step to read any prescription like a pro. For example, abbreviations, dosage forms, red flags, practice cases. Subscribe now, hit the bell icon, and join me in Module 1, where we'll break down every part of a prescription together in just 5 minutes. A prescription is a legal document issued by an authorized prescriber, usually a doctor, which instructs a pharmacist to dispense a medication to a specific patient. It acts as both a legal and therapeutic document. Learning to read prescriptions properly helps you protect patient safety, avoid dangerous errors, and build trust as a pharmacist or pharmacy student. Every prescription contains key elements. Let's break them down one by one. Always confirm the patient's name, age, and sometimes weight, especially in pediatric or geriatric prescriptions. Next, check the date of prescription. It shows when it was issued. It is one of the defining factors for validity of the prescription. This is the most crucial part. Check the drug name, its strength, and its dosage form carefully to avoid dispensing errors. Doctors specify how much to take, how often, by which route, and for how long. Always verify these details. Finally, check the prescriber's signature and registration number. This makes the prescription legally valid. Use this quick checklist before you dispense to make sure everything is correct. Let's try these questions. Which element confirms the prescription is legally valid? Correct answer is C, prescriber's registration number and signature. Next, which of the following is not a required element of a prescription? Correct answer is C, patient's insurance number. That's it for Module 1. In Module 2, we'll dive into prescription abbreviations you must know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. See you there.